If your B2B sales cycles are taking 90 days or longer, you're leaving millions on the table. I'm about to show you the exact AI framework that cut our clients' sales cycles from 90 days to 45 days. And it has nothing to do with making more calls or sending more emails. By the end of this video, you'll have the 4-step system that's generating an extra $2 to $3 million in revenue for B2B startups simply by selling faster. I'm Tony Koenig, and for the past 18 years, I've been the GTM engineer behind the scenes, helping hundreds of B2B businesses scale from startup to millions in revenue. I've seen every sales mistake, every bottleneck, and every breakthrough. And what I'm sharing today is the exact system my clients use to consistently close deals 50% faster than their competitors. Disclaimer. Here's what's happening right now. While you're manually qualifying leads and playing phone tag with prospects, your AI-savvy competitors are already 3 steps ahead. They're scoring leads instantly, automating perfect follow-ups, and closing deals while you're still trying to get the first meeting scheduled. If you don't implement this system in the next 90 days, you'll watch your best prospects get picked off by faster-moving companies. Don't let that happen. Here are the 4 steps you have to improve on. Step 1. Smart lead scoring. First, you need to stop treating all leads the same. Most founders waste 70% of their time on leads that will never buy. Our AI lead scoring system analyzes 47 different data points, from company growth signals to decision-maker behavior, and gives you a priority score in real time. Here's what happened with one client. They were spending 20 hours a week qualifying leads manually. After implementing AI lead scoring, they cut that to 3 hours and increased their qualified lead rate by 340%. The AI identified patterns they never saw, like companies that engage with pricing pages on Tuesdays are 67% more likely to close within 30 days. Step 2. Automated follow-up sequences. Step 2 is where most companies hemorrhage money. A study by Harvard Business Review found that companies responding to leads within 5 minutes are 21 times more likely to qualify them. But how do you respond in 5 minutes when you're in meetings all day? Our AI automation system sends personalized follow-ups within 60 seconds every time. Not generic templates. I'm talking about messages that reference the prospect's specific industry challenges, recent company news, and buying signals. One client saw their response rates increase from 12% to 47% just by implementing smart automation. Step 3. CRM optimization with predictive analytics. Third, your CRM should work for you, not against you. Most B2B founders are drowning in data but starving for insights. Our AI CRM optimization system analyzes your pipeline and predicts exactly which deals will close, when they'll close, and what actions will move them forward faster. We had a SaaS client whose sales team was wasting time on deals that looked promising but were actually stuck. The AI identified that deals without technical buyer involvement in the first 2 weeks had only an 8% close rate. Armed with this insight, they started involving technical stakeholders earlier and saw their close rate jump to 31%. Step 4. AI-powered deal acceleration. Finally, the secret sauce, deal acceleration. This is where we compress your sales cycle from months to weeks. The AI monitors buyer behavior across email, website visits, content downloads, and social media to identify buying moments, those critical windows when prospects are ready to move forward. When the AI detects a buying moment, it automatically triggers the perfect outreach sequence. Maybe it's a case study that addresses their specific use case, or a demo invitation with exactly the features they've been researching. One client compressed their average deal size from 73 days to 31 days using this approach. Let me give you the exact numbers from our case study. This B2B software company was struggling with 90-day sales cycles and a 23% close rate. After implementing this four-step framework, sales cycles shrunk from 90 days to 45 days, 50% reduction. Close rate shot up from 23% to 41%, 78% improvement. Revenue per quarter increased from $847,000 to $1.6 million, 89% increase. Time spent on admin shrunk from 15 hours per week to 4 hours per week. This isn't theory. This is what happens when you stop competing on effort and start competing on intelligence. If you want the complete system, every AI tool, every automation sequence, every template and framework I just described, I've put it all together in my Udemy course, B2B Sales Masterclass, Cut Sales Cycles 30% with AI. This isn't just another course. It's the exact playbook that's generated over $50 million in additional revenue for my clients. You'll get the AI lead scoring templates, the automated follow-up sequences, the CRM optimization framework, and the deal acceleration playbook. Plus, I'll show you exactly which AI tools to use and how to set them up step by step. Click the link in the description to get instant access. And here's the thing. Every day you wait is another day your competitors get ahead. The B2B founders implementing this system right now will dominate their markets in 2025. Don't get left behind and keep on scaling.